Hey everyone, I've got a fantastic product you absolutely have to know about. Its design. Oh, it's modern, minimalist, and looks incredibly premium. You know, the kind of thing you expect to come with a hefty price tag. But here's the kicker, the price. It's so much more affordable than you could ever imagine for this kind of quality. Seriously, you'll just be stunned. And the versatility. It's perfect for your office, your home, or even as a really thoughtful gift. Full details are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you around.